traps and tricks. My way so far from perfect. I have tried to listen to my own voice. I've always tried to follow my own heart. My heart's made up of all you hearts that I've encountered on the way. Such an entangled web of love, where every thread has got its place. I don't have the answers, I don't have the truth, I just have